How to reorder songs in your Spotify playlist. If you want to rearrange the order of songs in your Spotify playlist, it's quick and easy using the mobile app. First, open the Spotify app and go to your library, then select the playlist you want to edit. Once you're inside the playlist, tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Edit Playlist. You'll now see a list of all the songs in that playlist with three horizontal lines next to each track. To move a song, press and hold those lines, then drag the track up or down to the spot you want. When you're happy with the new order, tap Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. This only works for playlists you've created yourself, not ones made by Spotify or other users. Whether you're organizing songs by mood, genre, or your personal favorites, reordering your playlist lets you control exactly how your music flows. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.